AI is changing the job market fast. There will be some jobs that will completely disappear because of AI, but AI will also create new jobs as well. That's why knowing how to use AI can actually open up amazing opportunities for you. Generative AI is a game changer. It can automate tasks, boost creativity, and even power chatbots. No matter if you are in tech, marketing, or finance, learning generative AI can give you a huge advantage. In this video, I will share top 5 generative AI courses that you should take. Some of these are from Google, and you can even earn a free certificate. So watch this video till the end. The first course in our list is Generative AI for Beginners by SkillUp from Simply Learn. This is a free, beginner-friendly course that helps you to understand how AI can create text, create images, and even videos. You will learn key concepts like generative AI models, prompt engineering, and data pre-processing. Plus, you will get hands-on experience with tools like GPT and DALL-E. The best part of this course is that it's only 4 hours long, and you will get a free certificate upon completion of this course. If you are an AI engineer, data scientist, or just curious about AI, this is a great place to start. That's not all. SkillUp also has 400 plus free certification courses in AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and more. They are partnered with Google, Microsoft, and AWS. You can go and enroll now to get certified for free. I will drop the links of all these courses that I will mention in this video in the description below. The second course in our list is Introduction to Generative AI Studio from Google Cloud. This course is from Google Cloud, making it a great opportunity for you to earn a free certificate from Google. By completing this course, you can enhance your resume with a valuable certification from a leading tech giant. This course is perfect for anyone looking to boost their AI skills and stand out in the job market. It covers the basics of generative AI, prototyping AI models, prompt design, and fine-tuning techniques. It's a quick 1-hour course that gives you hands-on experience with Vertex AI, and you can even get a free certificate upon completion. So let's talk about third course. Introduction to Prompt Engineering Fundamentals. This free course is all about writing better prompts to get the best responses from AI models like ChatGPT. Whether you are a chatbot developer, AI engineer, or data scientist, mastering prompt engineering is a must-have skill in 2025. This course is just 1 hour long and covers 3 key lessons. What is prompt engineering demo, what is prompt tuning. Everything is covered in this course. You will also learn refining prompts and problem-solving techniques. And of course, you will get a free certificate to share on LinkedIn or with potential employers. The fourth course in our list is Gemini for Google Workspace. This course is also from Google Cloud, making it a great opportunity for you to earn a free certificate from Google. By completing this course, you can enhance your resume. This free 2-hour course teaches you how to use AI-powered features in Google Workspace to boost productivity. You will learn how Gemini enhances tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, Meet, and Drive. This course covers smart email management, real-time meeting assistance, dynamic presentations, and AI-powered search. It's perfect for data analysts, project managers, content writers, and digital marketers looking to work smarter. There are 7 key lessons in this course, including Introduction to Gemini for Google Workspace, Generative AI Basics, AI features in Gmail, Docs, Slides, Sheets, Meet, and Drive, creating videos with Google Vids. And yes, you will get a free certificate upon completing this course. The fifth course in our list is DeepSeek for Beginners. This free 1-hour course is all about search and retrieval technologies using AI. You will learn semantic search, neural retrieval models, and vector search with tools like Elasticsearch and Haystack. It's a great course for data scientists, NLP specialists, AI engineers, and machine learning professionals who want to build advanced search engines and optimize retrieval systems. This course includes 3 key concepts: what is generative AI, evolution of AI, introduction to DeepSeek, and you will get a free certificate upon completing this course to showcase your skills. That's not all. SkillUp also has 400 plus free certification courses in AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and more, partnered with Google, Microsoft, and AWS. You can go and enroll now to get certified for free. This is your chance to learn for free and earn certifications to boost your career. Click the links in the description and start learning now. Begin your generative AI journey with SkillUp today. Learn, grow, and succeed. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.